So this was like the basic know-how of what Toastmasters is, and
Hmm.
anyone hearing this introduction knows that okay, this is something related to your communication skills and all.
Yeah.
Now, I
Yeah.
want to take you to the managerial part of this thing. Like, how is a Toastmasters club managed? So, suppose if I come from a city wherein Toastmasters does not have a branch, so who is that first person to say that okay, I am opening a branch of Toastmasters in this city? Like, what is the requirements to do so? And who actually manages the branch, like who is assigned the duty that okay, you and you, like you three guys, now you need to handle all the activities that are happening in this particular city. So how's that done?
So, since Toastmasters is a wide network of clubs over the world, they have divided it into several different categories. So, on the broadest level, you have Toastmasters International, which is based in US, the world headquarters. It's then divided into various regions globally, and then drills down to district and area and division and then club level. So at the club level, every area has 4 to 6 clubs, and every area has an area director that not handles but supervises the operations of these 4 to 6 clubs. And then subsequently the area director reports to the division director, who then reports to the district director, and so on and so forth. So every club has an executive committee of 6 people. So every club is managed by a president. So you have 6 roles in the executive committee. One is a president who looks over the functioning of the club. There's a vice president education who looks after the creation of agenda for every meeting of the club, who looks after the learning needs of the members, looks after the mentoring program at every club, which is very important for helping members grow. Then there's a VP membership that handles all incoming contact from the outside world. Whoever wants to join in and learn more about the club and its various offerings, they contact the VP membership. We then also have certain admin roles. We have treasurer who handles the finances of the club. We have sergeant at arms who takes care of the assets of the club, starting and the meeting and handling the logistics of it. We also have a secretary who is responsible for maintaining contact between the club and Toastmasters International headquarters, and also in charge of keeping track of whether the minutes of the meeting, so to say. He's responsible for handling, taking care of, noting down everything that happens during the meetings and uh, reporting that to the executive committee. So those are the key roles in a club. And moving beyond, if you want to move beyond a club and uh, try your hand at various leadership opportunities, you can go for area director, you can go for division director. There are so many opportunities available to develop your leadership along with your public speaking skills that it's just endless. I've been in Toastmasters, I think, for the last 1.5 years, and I still feel like I haven't explored fully the opportunities that are available.